Welcome back to Museful. So we know that Apple just had their event a couple of weeks ago. I decided to go ahead and order the AirPods 3. They came in last night. So here they are. So I wanted to unbox them for you and give you a first look of my opinion of the Apple AirPods Pro 3. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. Like I said before, nothing like ripping that seal open. So we're going to open them up and see how they look and how they feel. I will be doing a follow-up video as well to see how it compares to the AirPods Pro 2. In this video, what I want to show you is the size comparison, how they fit in the ear, what comes in the box, and just your generic information for the basic unboxing of this device. So I was excited to get these. I did customize these. This is my first AirPods that I have customized. I decided to put my name on them for the first time. They give them a little flair. That's why they took so long to come in. So I did order them the weekend of launch week. So I'm fairly excited. So on here you see it's my name, Museful, with 2 stars on it. It looks pretty good. It is a free feature that if you do order your AirPods online from Apple, you do get to customize them. So I do have my other AirPod Pros, which we're going to compare the size to them. All right, so the newer AirPod Pro 3 is bigger than the AirPod Pros 2. So the cases are different. That's one notice I do see different. So if you do have an older case, you will not be able to use it. So let me pair these really quickly to my phone. Really simple pairing process, as you know. Oh, pretty cool. It does pop up on my phone saying Museful on the AirPods as well. So Apple did do some ingenuity there. That's pretty cool to see. So it's telling me to put both AirPods in my ears. I guess it's going to calibrate really quickly. So setup process was pretty seamless. As you just saw, I went through the setup process. It went through its cues, its prompts, asking me if I wanted to download the new different languages for transferring, the translating, and it asked me to do a fit test, the nod feature, talked about the heartbeat in your ears, which I will test on my Peloton tomorrow and give you an update on how that goes. Also in the box, there is no power cable, so that's kind of a disappointment from Apple that if you don't already have a power cable USB-C, you would not be able to charge these AirPods right out of the box. So that is kind of a bummer from Apple. It does come with your traditional earmuff or ear cups that fit in your ears. So this was a quick unboxing for these new AirPods Pros. I will be following up with another video to tell you how it worked out. If you like content like this, please like, follow, and share. Thank you for watching.